caught in the eternal debate between the impact driver and the drill? Let's clear the air. Impact drivers, they're the heavyweights ideal for driving screws into the likes of hardwood, thanks to their blend of rotational and concussive force for high torque. Shift your gaze to drills now. They're your go-to for precision, drilling into softer materials and driving screws with finesse and control. So, what's the verdict? If versatility is your game, the drill's your name. If power's what you're after, then it's the impact driver you're after. Better yet, why not keep both in your arsenal for the best of both worlds? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more rapid-fire tool tips.